Hello, today I will be presenting my classroom management plan for Education 6301 Classroom Management. So my personal philosophy, I'm a fan of group learning and I love cooperative learning, but right now with the pandemic, we must limit group processing to a certain extent, so which is why we'll be practicing more of a behaviorist approach to my classroom management plan. So I want students to feel safe and know that it is okay to try and not succeed on the first try. So clear rules will be set and also procedures, and they will also be enforced. We will practice the importance of building a safe relationship with everyone in the class. Now, the behavioral approach to classroom management focuses on creating a more clear expectations for behavior. Now, this includes monitoring behavior and reinforcing appropriate behavior while redirecting inappropriate behavior. So the room arrangement. So I did this arrangement with COVID in mind. So the class hopefully will be of less students. So like I did this one based off of 10 students. And as you can see, all the students will be facing the front board and they will be spaced out, keeping the CDC guidelines in mind. So in the front of the board, on the sides of it, they can find the class schedule and the class rules. This is also where they will find their homework. And then to the sides, there will be the bulletin boards displayed. So this can be where important messages are posted, or even as an area to post and display the students' work. And to the other side of the class, they will have the designated area to turn in their daily assignments. And that way, every day they know where their homework is to be placed. At the bottom, you will see that it is the entrance and the exit, and right next to that, there will be the emergency escape route procedures posted in case of an emergency. To the back of the room, you will find my desk, teacher desk, and then right next to it will be the cleaning supplies. Now, right now with the pandemic, it's really important to maintain cleanliness in the classroom, so there will be wipes for students to use if needed, well, depending on the level, or I myself, the educator, can make sure that I am wiping and cleaning down heavy traffic and touched areas to keep everyone as safe, clean, and healthy as possible. So know the rules. These are a few of my rules. So use kind words and actions. Listen quietly when someone else is speaking, because you want somebody to listen when you are speaking as well. And you want to be helpful and responsible. And again, super important, keep the classroom clean, especially right now. And then say please and thank you. Very important. Now the classroom consequences. So looking at the negative consequences, so failing to follow instructions can lead to restricted recess time. Now this means that instead of playing on the playground with your peers, you might be asked to walk around the playground or walk the track instead of playing with the peers. And then constant misbehavior can result in a call or note home to your parent and or guardian. Now, positive consequences, there will be verbal praise for good behavior and work. And staying on task can result in free time. So if you finish early, you can read your favorite book or go in one of the areas and practice there. And then also turning in homework complete and on time consecutively may result in receiving a homework pass. So let's say that for 2 weeks straight, your homework was turned in on time and complete. You may get a homework pass. So classroom procedure. So start of the day activities, students will enter, they'll take their homework out and place it in the designated box that was shown in my arrangement earlier. And they will get their materials ready for the day and then read silently at their desk. The students may also use the beginning of the day as a time to clean out their desk and free it of clutter in order to limit distractions. And the students will also take this time to write down their homework for the day in their planners. That way they are sure that they have it down and even before they get started for the day. And the students will be given a beginning of the day activity. I was a personal fan of these, so it can be either writing something that you learned yesterday, or turning to the partner and orally sharing what they learned yesterday, or even practice solving a riddle of the day. And students may use this time to sharpen their personal pencils at this time. So again, with COVID, we will be limiting the the use of shared materials, so which is really important for students to bring their own materials and then sharpen their own pencils with their own sharpener. They may bring it from home, or if it's provided from the school. And then it's important for us educators to have backup material ready if it's needed. Now for the special populations, definitely provide a personalized seating plan for those who need it, and offer an inclusion classroom where all the students are taught and they feel included. And we want to make sure that we create a least restrictive environment and ensure that the class is clutter-free and is organized in order to limit the distractions, like I previously said, with the desk. And now, definitely important to create a safe area in the classroom where the students can go and cool down if they need to. Some extrinsic motivators will be receiving recognition for hard work. They may receive extra credit or bonus points and free time when completing their task in a timely manner. Some intrinsic motivators will be the satisfactory feeling of after successfully presenting a project. Having options in presenting major projects such as digital or handwritten, or if they want to work in groups or individual. And they will be provided a productive and effective feedback. Now the learning environment, very, very important for everybody in the classroom, teacher and students both. The students, we want to make sure that they feel valued and included in all our classroom activities. We want to continually get to know our students, very important that way for our lessons. When we get to know some stuff, we can include what we learn from our students into our lessons. And we want to respect and value one another as well. Now, an activity that I really liked was a warm and fuzzies jar. So as I see students practicing good behavior, whether it be helping each other out or encouraging each other, they will get a pom-pom to put into our class warm and fuzzies jar. Now, when the jar is full, we will have a classroom party. But everyone in the class has to have contributed a warm and fuzzy in order for them to receive the party. So a way that I will keep track is just like having written track of which students participated. That way we are sure that everyone participated and contributed to receiving the party. So here are my references, are 2 textbooks that we use this semester, which was Building Classroom Discipline and Classroom Management for Elementary Teachers. And then I also found another scholarly source, which was Classroom Management, a Behavioral Approach. So thank you for watching my presentation. Have a great day.